Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Lucifer's favorite color on guitar. First, ensure your instrument is perfectly in tune, typically to standard E-A-D-G-B-E. This foundational step is crucial for achieving the correct sound. Next, we will focus on the basic power chord shapes, which are essential for many rock songs. Practice these shapes on the 6th and 5th strings, using 2 fingers for the root and 5th. A relaxed but firm pick grip is also key for clear articulation. Now, let's dive into the core riff of Lucifer's favorite color. This distinctive musical phrase is usually present in the song's intro and chorus, giving it its unique character. Begin by breaking the riff down into smaller, more manageable sections, perhaps 2 or 4 beats at a time. Concentrate on precise alternate picking, ensuring each note rings out clearly. This technique is vital for maintaining a consistent rhythm and powerful attack throughout the entire piece. Moving on, we'll explore the main chord progressions that underpin Lucifer's favorite color. Most rock songs utilize a sequence of 3 or 4 primary power chords. Understanding these changes is crucial for the song's structure. Also, pay close attention to the dynamic shifts. Some parts might be played with more intensity, while others require a softer touch. Practice transitioning smoothly between each chord, aiming for a seamless flow that captures the song's energy and mood. Finally, let's talk about effective practice and performance. Always use a metronome, starting at a slow tempo and gradually increasing your speed as you gain confidence. This builds precision and consistency. Recording yourself is an excellent way to objectively assess your playing, helping you pinpoint any timing issues or technical flaws. Lastly, play along with the original track to truly internalize the song's feel, dynamics, and overall energy. Keep practicing, and you'll master it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.